Live from 6 News Studios. With live, local breaking news where you live. And your hour-by-hour forecast. This is 6 News, live at 6.
A new option for health care coverage is being offered in Nebraska. Today, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Nebraska announced a partnership with the Nebraska Medical Center and Nebraska Methodist Health Systems. They will offer an individual insurance plan called SelectBlue. A member of the team describes who the ideal customer will be.
Access some patients in the state of Nebraska who don't currently have insurance or may lose it with small employers, especially under the Obamacare. Some employers may decide to stop supplying health insurance and drive those patients to these insurance exchanges.
The plan will be available beginning in September.
You're watching Omaha's ABC, KTV, Channel 7. Your favorite choice for local news. This is KTV News Watch 7 at 6.
With all the changes in health care, there is a new choice, and only for Nebraskans. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Nebraska is allowing you to choose services from the Nebraska Medical Center or Methodist Health Systems. The goal of Select Tier is to offer lower costs and co-pays, given that services only come from those two medical facilities. In the past, the companies say hospitals, physicians, and insurance companies all had their own priorities. This plan changes that.
For the first time in the state of Nebraska, you have the three critically important groups coming together and saying, let's override them. Let's find a way to work collectively and collaboratively to ensure that, again, the results are the best and the least expensive possible.
The plan is available starting this October. Again, it is only offered to residents of Omaha area counties.
You're watching Omaha's only hour of primetime news. The KPTM Fox 42 News at 9 in HD.
Plus, working together for the community. The steps local hospitals are taking to provide affordable health care, and area parks are getting the green.
Area hospitals are teaming up to provide more affordable health care. Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Nebraska, Methodist Health System, and the Nebraska Medical Center are creating the SelectBlue package. It's only available to families, not businesses. Officials say it'll lower co-pays and deductibles by 10 to 24%. One doctor says the plan will allow you to get early checkups and to save money.
And sometimes lose toes or feet, they lose their vision, they lose their kidneys. If we can identify those people many years earlier than they otherwise would have been identified, we can put in place much simpler strategies and much better outcomes for those individuals.
The SelectBlue plan will be available in Omaha in September.
It's 404 News Radio 1110 KFAB. I'm Carla James. Metro area residents will have a new health care option this fall. Steve Martin with Blue Cross Blue Shield of Nebraska says they're partnering with the Nebraska Med Center and Methodist Health Systems to form a new network of doctors and hospitals.
The new product, called SelectBlue, features full health benefits at lower costs when individuals and families choose Select Network of Methodist or Med Center physicians and families.
The new network includes 6 hospitals and hundreds of doctors. Initially, the plan will be available to customers in Douglas, Sarpy, and 6 other surrounding counties. It's 404 News Radio 1110 KFAB. I'm Carla James. Metro area residents will have a new health care option this fall. Steve Martin with Blue Cross Blue Shield of Nebraska says they're partnering with the Nebraska Med Center and Methodist Health Systems to form a new network of doctors and hospitals.
The new product, called SelectBlue, features full health benefits at lower costs when individuals and families choose Select Network of Methodist or Med Center physicians and families.
The new network includes 6 hospitals and hundreds of doctors. Initially, the plan will be available to customers in Douglas, Sarpy, and 6 other surrounding counties.